This is one of those videos I should have covered off in the previous one, but I'm doing a quick one now. It's to do with color palettes in Bricks Builder. Normally when you start using it, regardless of whether you've created a color palette or not, when you go to any element, section, container, block, anything like that, and you go to style, and then you go to color, it will normally go to the default one. You can see it over there. But if you've spent time creating a color palette, you don't want to keep doing this. Oh, right, I'm here now, and now I want to go here, hit new, and now I want to pick my palette, right? You don't want to have to keep going through all of that. You want your new color palette or whatever color palette you've selected or created to be the default. Well, it's really easy to do. Once you've selected it down here, click the edit, and here you have a little toggle to now make this be default. So if I now hit save there, we now click this container and I click over here, it straight away goes to new, right? Default is still there. If I want to make default my default one, go back in, hit edit and go and hit the toggle. It's that simple. I hope that's going to help you not having to do this all the time where you're having to quickly, toggle between them. So set it as default and away you go. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share and follow. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.